dreams, and today I am so thrilled and excited to share with you an unboxing of my new Impala roller skates. The box is so gorgeous. You don't imagine how excited I am. So when the quarantine started and we all started staying home, not being able to go out, going to nature, do whatever, I gained a lot of weight. And about a month ago, I was just like, listen, Steph, you need to get your life together. Stop eating all the junk, stop stress eating, stop anxiety eating, and start working out, taking care of your health. So I've been on a lifestyle journey again, and I want to stick to it for the long run. So I wanted to do exercises that would really be fun and I would feel motivated to do. So I started to dabble with a hula hoop, and right at the beginning of the quarantine, I started thinking about roller skates for some reason. And then I saw a lot of people are actually wanting to roller skate during this time, which is kind of odd. And I'm glad that we are all getting back to basics. Maybe this time is calling for us to just be present, have fun. When I was a child, I used to roller skate. I also used to rollerblade. I've tried ice skating. I am just hoping that now as an adult that I can remember how to do this. I'm actually kind of intimidated, but I'm still gonna do it. And if I fall, I'm gonna get back up, which is what life is all about, right? So let's admire the box. The box is beautiful. I am definitely gonna keep it. And it's so gorgeous, of course, colorful. So I was inspired by Tiffy Quake here on YouTube. She actually did an unboxing of Impala roller skates, and since I had been looking for roller skates, I thought it was the perfect time for me to go search on the website. But when I went on the website, they were sold out, and it seems that these roller skates sell out really fast. So I got on their notification list, and sure enough, as soon as I was notified, I went to buy them because I had already eyed the ones that I wanted to get. All right, so I got them in a size 8. From what I understand, they fit true to size. There aren't any half sizes. Okay. Let's get ready to rumble. I have my fan on because it's really hot in this room. All right, ready? Look at this. This is what butterfly dreams are made of. This is so beautiful. These are the CYNTHIA ROWLEY designs. And I'm all about flowers, florals, hummingbirds, butterflies. I mean, my channel is Butterfly Dreams, duh. So can we just admire this gorgeousness? And I know the video is not going to do it justice, neither do pictures, because when I saw it on the picture, it's just so much more beautiful in person. And the laces are also floral. The wheels have a floral pattern in them. I don't know how much you can see it or not. Look at this, look at this. Whoa. I am in love with these. In love. They have the Impala logo here. I haven't tried them on because I really wanted to save this moment for video, just to show you and to keep a record of it. It's been hard to contain myself. I may break my madre with these a couple of times, but that's how life is. We fall, we get back up. We fall, we get back up. And then I'm just gonna keep rolling away. What I'm hoping to do is to go to Central Park and ride these babies around, roll these babies around. I'm like a child right now. I think these retail, by the way, if you wanted to know, these retail for about $120, which I find is a good investment in something that's gonna help you stay fit. At least here in New Jersey, all the gyms are closed right now, and I don't foresee them opening anytime soon, nor do I feel comfortable going to a gym at this point. I'm just rambling, but I'm just so excited, okay? Here they are. So now on the list of things to order, I have to order a helmet, which I'm gonna get from Amazon, and I just ordered my knee and elbow pads because we have to stay safe. I'm an adult and my bones are a little bit more frail. My message for you today is that, you know, even though we're in this very messed up situation and things are never going to go back to normal, honor your inner child as much as you can, and I feel like that's going to keep us grounded, that's going to keep us level-headed and sane. So now that we really have the option to be more mindful about our habits, about our health, about many things that we probably weren't paying attention to before. And for me, that has been the greatest gift that this time has given me, and I'm so grateful for that. I just want to invite you all to let your inner child wild, have fun, enjoy your life, and fly free. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.